Hey guys, welcome to our data analytics workshop. My name is Prashita, and I'm part of the operations team at Next Step Business, an organization committed to bringing essential business knowledge to the next generation of leaders. I overlook Boost, a program that produces videos like this one to help young professionals. Today's video is all about data analytics, which helps modern companies improve their understanding of the customer behavior, operations, market trends, and risks. We'll also look at some key concepts, the essential tools used, and how data analytics plays an important role in driving business success. Let's take a look at today's agenda. First, I'm going to start with a brief overview of what data analytics is and why it's so important. Then I'll dive into the different types of analytics: prescriptive, descriptive, diagnostic, and predictive. I'll also cover key data analytics tools and code languages such as Python and R, and talk about how companies use data analytics to make smarter business decisions. Lastly, we'll discuss the career opportunities in data analytics. There's a lot to cover, so let's get right into it. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is data analytics? Data analytics is the process of looking at data sets to draw conclusions about the information that they contain. The goal is to uncover patterns, correlations, and trends that help businesses make informed decisions. With the increase in data generation from sources like customer transactions, social media, and sensors, data analytics has become a critical tool for businesses to turn raw data into actionable insights. Whether a company wants to optimize its marketing campaigns, improve customer service, or increase operational efficiency, data analytics provides the framework to understand what's working and what improvements can be made. Data analytics works by processing vast amounts of data using algorithms, statistic models, and computational techniques. It has the potential to drastically improve decision making, drive business growth, and provide companies with a competitive edge. With the increasing availability of big data and advanced technology, the demand for data analytics skills has also risen a lot in various industries. Data analytics doesn't just help with reactive decision making, it also plays a really important role in proactively shaping business strategies. By understanding how certain patterns have led to successful outcomes, companies can replicate these strategies and continue to develop. There are several types of data analytics that businesses use to understand data more deeply. So let's go over them. First is descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics focuses on summarizing historical data and understanding past behaviors or trends. It answers the question, what happened, by providing reports or visualizations that show patterns and trends in the data. For example, a company might use descriptive analytics to review sales data from the past year to see how performance varied across different months. Descriptive analytics doesn't just stop at raw numbers. It's also about interpreting the data to uncover valuable insights about customer behavior, product popularity, and more. The second type is diagnostic analytics. Diagnostic analytics goes beyond descriptive analytics by examining the causes of past outcomes. It answers the question, why did it happen? By using techniques like correlation analysis or root cause analysis, businesses can identify underlying factors or issues that influence past events. For example, a company may want to know why sales dropped in a particular quarter, and they could use diagnostic analytics to invest the potential causes. Maybe there was marketing missteps or supply chain issues that caused this. Taking a deeper dig at diagnostic analytics allows organizations to make data-driven adjustments, eliminating inefficiencies or improving certain aspects of their business models. The third type is predictive analytics. Predictive analytics uses historical data and statistical models to predict future outcomes, as suggested by its name, predictive. It answers the question, what is likely to happen? By leveraging techniques like regression analysis or machine learning algorithms, predictive analytics helps businesses forecast trends, customer behavior, and market changes. For example, a company might use predictive analytics to forecast next quarter's sales based on past trends and other influencing factors. Predictive analytics is also really important in risk management, helping businesses assess the likelihood of events such as customer churn, financial instability, or market shifts, and it provides a foundation to take preventative measures. The last type we're going to cover is prescriptive analytics. Prescriptive analytics focuses on providing recommendations for actions based on data insights. Prescriptive analytics answers the question, what should we do about it? This type of analytics uses optimization algorithms and decision models to suggest the best course of action to achieve a business goal. A company might use prescriptive analytics to recommend the most efficient supply chain strategy or to optimize pricing decisions. Prescriptive analytics takes it one step further by not just predicting outcomes, but also suggesting real-time, actionable steps, empowering businesses to operate more efficiently and more effectively. Make sure to not get prescriptive and predictive confused. Now let's look at some key tools used in data analytics. Data analytics relies heavily on specific programming languages such as software tools. Two of the most popular and widely used languages are Python and R. Let's talk about Python. Python is a high-level programming language, which means it's easily understood by humans, and it's known for its easy use and strong support for data analysis. Python libraries, which are files containing Python definitions and statements or modules that you can import into your code, such as pandas, NumPy, and matplotlib, allow data scientists to easily manipulate, analyze, and visualize data. This is usually used for tasks like data cleaning, machine learning, and building predictive models. Its readability and extensive support makes it a go-to language for data analysis and one of the most popular tools in the field. Now let's move on to R. R is a statistical programming language that is really good for data analysis and visualization. R is widely used in academia and research because of its powerful statistical analysis capabilities. It has a vast ecosystem of libraries and packages, just like Python. R's strength is its ability to perform complex statistical analysis, making it a pretty valuable tool for handling large data sets and performing advanced modeling. In addition to Python and R, there are several other important tools in the field of data analytics. For example, Excel. You've probably already heard about Excel. It's a tool used for basic data organization, analysis, and visualization. It's not as advanced as Python or R, but it's still commonly used by businesses for simple tasks like generating reports, creating charts, and doing basic calculations. SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language, is used to manage and query databases. SQL is really important for extracting data from relational databases and manipulating it for analysis. It's usually used to retrieve specific data from large databases to make decisions. Advanced tools and platforms like Hadoop and Apache Spark enable businesses to handle big data, providing the capability to process vast amounts of structured or semi-structured data quickly and efficiently. These tools are particularly useful when dealing with massive data sets generated by IoT devices or Internet of Things devices, web traffic, or social media interactions. Sprinkle Data is a no-code analytics tool designed for business users. The best part is that you don't need to know how to code. It has a simple drag-and-drop interface, which makes it easy for anyone to build reports and dashboards without technical expertise. It's a great tool for quick analyses and business intelligence. Tableau is one of the most powerful tools when it comes to data visualization. It allows users to create interactive dashboards and reports, which help stakeholders easily understand complex data through visuals. Whether you're tracking sales performance or customer satisfaction, Tableau brings your data to life and allows for deep dives into key insights. For companies already using Microsoft products, Power BI is a perfect fit. It integrates pretty seamlessly with tools like Excel and Azure, offering real-time data access. Power BI helps businesses visualize data in an interactive way, making it a go-to for generating actionable insights that can drive business strategies. Google Analytics is really important for businesses with an online presence. It helps analyze web traffic and customer behavior, driving insights into how users interact with your website. By using Google Analytics, businesses can track everything from page views to conversion rates, which helps optimize marketing strategies and improve user experiences. SAP Business Objects is a comprehensive business intelligence platform that helps companies analyze and interpret large data sets. It's really useful for large enterprises that need to extract insights from massive amounts of data. And this ensures that business decisions are made based on accurate and reliable information. Now let's discuss how businesses use data analytics to drive smarter decisions. Some of the most prevalent ways businesses use data analytics include marketing analytics, financial analytics, and supply chain analytics. So, marketing analytics is better for understanding customer behavior. By analyzing customer data, companies can understand consumer behavior, measure campaign effectiveness, and personalize their marketing efforts. For example, data analytics can help businesses identify which products are most popular with certain demographics and use that information to target similar customers more effectively. Beyond basic metrics, advanced marketing analytics can assess customer sentiment, predict future buying behavior, and develop more effective strategies for customer engagement. When it comes to financial analytics, data analytics is crucial for financial forecasting and managing risks. Companies can use it to predict future revenue, assess potential risks, and ensure financial stability. For example, predictive analytics may be used to forecast cash flow, identify profitable as investment opportunities, or evaluate spending patterns. Financial analysts use data-driven models to optimize capital investment, control costs, and assess credit risk, helping companies maintain profitability even in turbulent times. The last type, supply chain analytics. Businesses use data analytics to optimize their supply chain, reduce costs, and increase efficiency. By analyzing data on inventory levels, shipping times, and demand fluctuations, companies can make informed decisions to improve delivery speed and minimize stockouts or overstocking. Analytics can also help optimize logistics and warehouse management. Predictive analytics is also used in supply chain management because it can help businesses anticipate potential disruptions like natural disasters or political instability that could impact their supply chain operations. Another place data analytics is used is in HR. If you remember from one of our old videos, HR departments use data analytics to improve employee recruitment, retention, and performance management. By analyzing employee turnover rates, compensation packages, and productivity levels, companies can identify trends and adjust their HR strategies to help employees be engaged and satisfied. HR analytics also plays a role in diversity and inclusion initiatives, helping businesses evaluate their workforce demographics and implement policies that promote equality and inclusion. Overall, the ability to analyze and interpret data enables companies to make smarter data-driven decisions that enhance efficiency, productivity, and profitability. From predictive modeling to real-time decision-making, data analytics is a vital tool in every modern business strategy. Now let's look at some career opportunities in data analytics. The field offers a wide range of career opportunities, with roles that cater to different levels of expertise and specialization. So here are some of the key roles that you can get in data analytics. The first is a data analyst. This job includes collecting, processing, and analyzing data to identify trends and generating actionable insights. They usually work with software tools like Excel, SQL, and Tableau to manipulate data and create reports that help businesses make informed decisions. Data analysts may work in a variety of industries, including finance, marketing, healthcare, and retail. Next is a data scientist. They take data analysis to the next level by building predictive models, using machine learning algorithms, and creating sophisticated data systems. They usually have a strong background in mathematics, statistics, and computer science. Data scientists work with large data sets to identify patterns, predict future trends, and solve complex problems. Business intelligence analysts, or BI analysts, focus on using data analytics to improve business operations and strategies as well. They create data visualizations, dashboards, and reports to help organizations understand key performance metrics. BI analysts often work closely with senior leadership to support strategic decision making. And lastly, data engineers design and build systems to collect, store, and process data. They work with large data sets and ensure that data is accessible for analysis. Data engineers play an important role in setting up the infrastructure needed for data analytics, including databases, data pipelines, and cloud storage systems. As the demand for data analytics continues to grow, these roles are becoming increasingly important. Companies in almost every industry are looking for skilled data professionals to help them leverage the power of data for business success. Congratulations, you made it to the end. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of what data analytics is, the tools involved, and how businesses use it to make better decisions. We've also covered some of the career paths available in this field. We highly encourage you to take a look at the resources linked in the description box. Make sure to check out our other programs under NSB, Next Step Business, such as Boost, which is our recorded workshop program where we present a wide span of business topics like this video. And Echo is our podcast where we invite guest speakers who are industry professionals with years of expertise to talk about their personal experience and offer insight to younger listeners. New episodes are out each month on our YouTube channel.